Welcome to Toon Tracks Racing. Today we will see Group 1 and Group 2 of our first ever GT race series. Up first we have the 2018 Honda Civic Type R, Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT, and a BMW M3 GT2. For our viewers who participated in this event, which was hosted on our Facebook group, the winner will receive a 25% off entire order coupon from JLHcrafts.com Racing. So without further ado, let's kick this off. And race 1 of race 3 is off. And there they go, and the Mustang GT was looking good, but here comes a Honda Civic, and the Honda Civic takes it with a record time, 7:16. That is the fastest time ever recorded on this track setup. And that is how you start off a race series. Looking at the replay, you can see the Mustang GT had the lead going around the bend, but the 2018 Honda Civic overtakes him, grabs the first victory with a 7:16 time. So the Honda Civic with 3 points, BMW with 2, and the Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT with 1. And remember, first place gets 3 points, second place with 2, and last place will get 1. And if a car DNFs, that will be 0 points. The cars now have switched lanes for race 2, and they are off. The BMW has an early lead, but here comes the 2018 Honda Civic again, overtakes him, and again he sets a track record with a 7:15 time. This Honda Civic is turning heads. Nobody expected this. And let's see again as he overtakes the Mustang and the BMW, secures his second win, which will give him 6 points at the end of race 2. And he is sitting pretty going into race 3. And tied for second is the BMW and the Ford Mustang with 3 points each. So here we go, the last race for Group 1, and they're off. And the BMW again has an early lead, and once again, the Honda Civic comes from behind. Oh, and he spins out! And he gets punted over the finish line by the Mustang. So good job to the BMW, who picks up the first win and receives 3 points. And the Honda Civic, after getting punted over the finish line, will receive 2 points. And the Mustang will unfortunately get a DNF and receive 0 points. The Honda Civic lost control at the last moment, crashes into the divider, pops up into the air, and then the Mustang sends him flying over the finish line. So the finals for Group 1, we'll see the Honda Civic in first place with 8 points, the BMW M3 GT2 with 6, and the Ford Mustang GT with 3. So keep in mind, the top 6 cars out of the 18 cars that comprise this GT tournament will move on to the playoff round. And out of those, the top 3 will move on to the championship series. So let's get ready for Group 2. For Group 2, we have the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3, followed by our only car, which is not Hot Wheels, the Tomica Lexus LFA, and then we have the Nissan 350Z. So Group 2 is at the starting gate, and they're raring to go. And there they go, they're off. This is looking tight. Looks like the Nissan 350Z had the lead, but coughs it up. And the Bentley will take the lead as he overtakes the Lexus LFA. And the Nissan 350Z will hobble in last place. So taking a look at the replay, you can see how close it was. The Lexus LFA surprises the Nissan 350Z, overtaking him. And then the Bentley overtakes the Lexus LFA, and he will grab the first win for Group 2. So that gives him 3 points after race 1, followed by the Lexus LFA with 2, and the Nissan 350Z with 1. Cars are at the starting gate for race 2. And there they go. And this is looking tight once again with Lexus LFA looking good, and once again the Bentley overtakes him, and he will grab his second win. And that'll be 6 points now for the Bentley. And Lexus LFA was looking good going on the first bend, but just could not keep it as the Bentley turned it on, overtakes him, and once again the Nissan 350Z is having trouble, and he finishes last, enabling him to gain only 1 point, and that will just not suffice in this group, as the Bentley is tearing it up now with 6 points, the Lexus LFA with 4, and the Nissan 350Z with 2. So the final race for Group 3 is about to begin, and there they go. This time the Bentley is the inside lane, really take advantage of it. He's looking pretty good. There comes the Lexus LFA. He comes in out of nowhere, overtakes the Bentley and a Nissan. He grabs his first win with a 792 time. And once again, an overtake happens on the home stretch, as the Bentley thought he had this, but the Lexus LFA would not have it. Turns it on, and he will grab his first win of the tournament. So your final standings for Group 2 sees the Bentley on top with 8 points, the Lexus LFA with 7, and the Nissan 350Z coming in with a disappointing 3 points. So now let's take a look at the current standings. Tied for first, we have the 2018 Honda Civic Type R and the Bentley Continental GT3 with 8 points, followed by the Lexus LFA with 7, the BMW M3 GT2 with 6, and the Ford Mustang and the Nissan 350Z holding up last place with 3 points. Keep in mind the top 6 cars will make it to the playoff round. So we hope you enjoyed day 1 of the GT race tournament here at Two Tracks Speedway, and be sure to check out JLHcrafts.com Racing in the description below for your diecast racing accessory needs, and be sure to hit like and subscribe so you do not miss the next race coming up for the GT series. We will see you guys here soon at Toon Tracks Racing. See you on the tracks.